How to change WhatsApp backgrounds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change WhatsApp backgrounds for all chats or for individual chats. But before I do that, please don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. And if you want to change the wallpaper for all chats, tap on the three little dots in the top right hand corner. Next, tap on settings. Then tap on the option that says chats, then tap on wallpaper. So here you can see the default wallpaper, the light theme wallpaper. You can actually tap on change, and here you can change the light theme wallpaper to a different. You can change it to bright, dark, solid colors, or you can actually go ahead and upload something from your photos. The next option is to change wallpaper for specific chats. So head back to your chats and then go into the chat that you'd like to change the wallpaper on. Then follow the same steps. Tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner, then tap on wallpaper, and here you can change your wallpaper to whatever you'd like. And that's what it takes to change WhatsApp background. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.